Rest in peace, my granny. He got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom, kabow, kaboom. Hey, bro, can you be a little quiet because it's too loud? So please be quiet. No. Okay, we're not friends anymore. So I was in my room trying to see my little sister. Rest in peace, my granny. That's it. I'm leaving. Bye.